Content marketing. What exactly comes to your mind when you hear those two words? Do you think about the tens of thousands of blogs you have to write before Max here takes notice of your website? Or do you think about that viral YouTube video that you've been planning to create? If only you could get yourself a decent camera and a bunch of retriever puppies. Wait, what if we had a bunch of pugs instead? No, let's try it with cats. How about adorable babies? Can we try a montage of epic fails instead? No? Not really getting the hang of it? That's because maybe you aren't asking the right questions. The kind that start with, just between you and me. This is your host, Steve Dotto, and for our first episode, I'm going to sit down for a one-on-one, make that one-on-two, with Andrew and Pete, so we can unravel the world of content marketing together and give you a framework that you can action from the word go. It's Wednesday, May 6th, 10 a.m. Pacific on invideo.io.